available for the proceed again to Bristol Temple, please. Please drive safe. My apologies for any inconvenience this may cause.